Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day so far. So today it's will I buy it time, the time we look at new releases, upcoming releases and decide why we want them or why we do not need them. So as always, I will be looking at my favorite beauty news, beauty launch, beauty release accounts over on Instagram, which will be up here for you if you don't already follow these people. How do you expect to know what's coming? So first things first, this is the Charlotte Tilbury Superstar Highlight. This is an oversized face and body highlight from Charlotte Tilbury. I saw this on Tavia's Instagram and died inside because this is not only a Sephora exclusive, but I think it's also a Rouge Sephora exclusive, whatever that means. Who knows? Not me. So I can't currently get this, but you better believe that when this drops in the UK, I will be getting this. It looks glorious. Charlotte Tilbury can do a lot of things, but she can certainly do a highlight just in the exact way that I love a highlight. It's going to be, you know, melt into the skin. It's going to be luminosity. This sounds like it's more on the luminous rather than metallic side, which is generally what Charlotte Tilbury does and just does so beautifully. This looks a little lighter than the Magic Star highlight that was the limited edition from I think last year. I think it's going to be gorgeous. I would absolutely be picking this one up. You can already get it if you're in the US. Next up, these Dior quads, these highlight quads. I guess they are highlight quads. So I already own one of these, the original one. There are two new shades coming out. These just don't excite me. I don't know if it's because I've already got one. I don't use it a huge amount. So therefore I just kind of feel like it's more of the same, just in slightly different shades. I think they're nice. That's about it. I think they don't rock my world. So I definitely don't need any more when I already have one that I don't really use. Next up, the entire brand that is Rare Beauty. If you have been living under a rock, you might not know. This is Selena Gomez's new makeup brand. As per the usual, whenever a celebrity that we don't necessarily associate with being a makeup artist or creator or anything like that brings out a makeup line, everybody is horrified and everybody's kicking off about it. And then we saw the packaging and the releases and the planned brand, and everybody quietened down quite a little and went, hang on, this looks more like it might be up the street of Fenty Beauty than some of the other less successful celebrity makeup brands. Suddenly our interest was piqued, and let me tell you, I would have picked up most of what this brand is offering so far. I think it all looks fantastic. It has some great reviews so far. I think it's different and innovative. I love a lot of the ethos behind the brand and where she's going with a lot of the design and things like that. It's not here. It's not available in the UK. It doesn't ship to the UK. It's only on, I think, Sephora, and their own website doesn't ship to the UK. So there's that. Next up, this Pat McGrath, what are we going to call it? Lip kit. I mean, it's a no from me. It is a no from me, a straight no. I saw this and was baffled as to, I mean, where am I, what occasion would I wear this to, is my question. I already have Elsa and I actually like that lipstick shade. It's also expensive. It's an expensive little kit, which, you know, it is Pat McGrath. What do you expect? Does this shot look insanely incredible? Yes, but am I going out? Am I going to swimming lessons like that, or on this? I don't get it. That's what I'm saying. Next up, this Marc Jacobs Cherry collection. Oh. This packaging is delightful, isn't it? Isn't it? Oh, this packaging is very, very cute. I don't own a single Marc Jacobs eyeshadow palette. As you know, I do try to look past packaging like this because it is a trick. It's a trick. It's trying to lure us in. It's trying to make us buy something that otherwise, if it was just in plain brown packaging, we'd go, nah, you know, it's okay. It's okay. We already own all these shades, and, you know, so we're going to slap this gorgeous packaging on it and hope that that hides the fact that actually we own all of these shades. You know, we don't need this, do we? So yeah, I definitely don't need that eyeshadow palette. As far as the highlight, I haven't tried a Marc Jacobs highlight, and I wouldn't mind trying that one. It looks very, very nice. It's a very big pan as usual. The mascara, it's just their mascara, you know, and that packaging isn't going to last you very long. You know, mascaras don't last longer than a few months. The lipstick, you know, take it or leave it. So I'm probably not going to pick anything up from that collection, but I do adore the packaging. But you know me, I try not to buy stuff solely because of the packaging, because what's the point of that? Next up, this brush from Sonia G. So I don't know what day this is going up. It may be Wednesday, it may be Friday. I don't even know what day it is anymore. My whole life is just a mess, okay? But this is coming out this week that I'm filming this. As I'm filming it, it's coming out today, and 100% I'm going to be picking up this brush. I was desperate for her, is it the face, what's the brush I've been desperate to pick up the Master Face. I didn't want to buy the whole Sky face set because there's a couple brushes in there that I feel I have similar brushes from her, or I just won't use, like the large fan brush. I don't really use fan brushes. So I just wanted to pick up the Master Face, but it's been out of stock for a while. And I saw on Sonia's blog that it's going to be a long time till that one comes back, which broke my heart. And it seemed like actually it might never come back, which is sad, sad times. But this new Smooth Buffer, I mean, although it's not the same as that one, it kind of serves a similar purpose as when you use it with loose powder, you know, to buff into the skin, to set your face, etc. So I'm definitely picking that one up. I think it looks gorgeous. I haven't got a sort of larger face powder type brush from her of this type, so I feel like it fills a hole in my collection, my Sonia collection, and I'm definitely going to be trying at least to pick that one up today. Next up, the Milk Setting Spray. For some reason, this doesn't appeal to me. One, probably because I just don't use a lot of setting spray, so it's a bit of a waste of money for me because I just don't really wear my makeup long enough to need one, if that makes sense. I kind of use them sometimes as a last step just to melt everything together, but again, even that feels a little unnecessary a lot of the time for me because I don't use a whole lot of setting powder all over the face, so I don't necessarily need it, is what I'm saying. This one, I just don't like the colour of it. I don't know why it's upsetting me that it's blue, or is it green? I don't know if it's upsetting me that it's green. I don't know what it is, but it doesn't appeal to me. I'm not going to be picking it up. I don't need another one. There's that. The new Huda mini palettes. I don't know what it is about these palettes, but none of them have just ever tickled my pickle. None of them have ever reached out and forced me to add to basket. I've just never really been even tempted by any of them. And these new ones really are no different. I'm looking at them and I'm like, they're fine. They are fine. If anything, the khaki one is the most appealing because I do feel like that actually it offers something a bit different. It's not something we've seen a billion times before, but yeah, I won't be picking these up. I just think it's more of the same of what we've already seen and what I already own. I'm not excited about it, you know. These YSL lips, these look right up my street. These shades, I look at these and I'm like, oh, I love the look of these shades. I only have like one YSL lipstick and I love it. It's one of their plump in colour, I think it's called. Love it. For summer, beautiful, perfect, love it. Love a bit of plump, you know, I do. These shades, I think they look gorgeous. I don't really know when they're coming. I can't really understand what's happening, but I definitely want to try it. That's what I'm saying. These matte lipsticks from Victoria Beckham. I still have not tried anything from Victoria Beckham Beauty. Wait, have I? Wait. No, I haven't. I don't think I have. I can't remember anything, put it that way. I mean, they're nude lipsticks, so I can't really get overly excited about them. Even the packaging, is that the final packaging? It looks boring, but you know, they are nude lipsticks, so I don't know how exciting you want them to be. I don't know how exciting it's possible for them to be at this point. I want to see swatches, that's what I'm saying. If they're blowing me away, I've never seen nudes like it. Perhaps I'll pick one up, but at the moment I'm just like, okay, you know, nude lipstick. Never seen that before. The new Chanel Lip Laquers. I am really intrigued by these. I don't think I own, I can never remember what I do and don't own. I don't think I own any Chanel lip products. I don't think I do. These look gorgeous. They remind me of the Armani, similar type of lip lacquers. There's some lovely shades in there. Apparently this is a launch that has been postponed due to Corona, so we don't know when we're going to see it. It was supposed to be arriving for fall, but it looks like it's been postponed. But yes, I'm definitely interested in picking those up. They look very exciting to me. I like something new, something different. The Makeup Revolution by Friends collection. I won't be picking this up. I'm not a huge fan of Makeup Revolution, but I know people are like, oh my God, Friends, what are you doing? Like, is it suddenly the 90s again? I don't know. I love Friends, don't get me wrong, but it's a little odd doing a collab. I don't know, I don't get it. But I will say this, it's very nice to see them have original ideas. As far as I'm aware, I haven't seen this, like, you know, they do a lot of duping or imitating or just downright thievery, depending what, you know, angle you're coming from. And actually I was refreshed to see what appears to be some real original ideas and original layouts, colours, etc. that weren't clearly a carbon copy of somebody else's work, you know? Like, can I copy from you in science? So that's refreshing. I'm here for that. I will say that. This palette, is it Marielle by Too Faced? It's cute, it's pretty. I like the packaging, but just not enough to tip me over the edge. Again, this is not really anything I don't already have, and the couple shades I don't have, I won't use. So for me, this is like, it's nice, I can appreciate it, but it's not something that I'm gonna purchase. That makes sense. And then there's a new palette from Lime Crime. I know nothing about Lime Crime at all. I've never tried anything from them. I know they had a lot of issues a couple of years ago, and therefore in my head I just kind of wrote the whole brand off, but they're still going, they're still here, and I don't know if they've resolved these issues, but they seem to be, you know, still chugging along. And this palette looks very cute, very nice. It's nothing I need or don't already own, but it does look nice. I know nothing about the quality of their shadows though, so let me know. Let me know. Is it good? Am I missing out? You guys tell me. Help me out. Am I missing out? And last but not least, this sneak peek of the Chanel holiday collection. Single eyeshadows like that, I'm off the market for them. So that is a straight no for me. The lipsticks, I'm just not seeing anything exciting there that I don't already have, but the blush, that looks beautiful. I'm definitely interested in what that swatch is like, because it looks just so pretty and beautiful. And I have very good experiences with Chanel blushes. My Elegance blush is like in my top 5 blushes. I absolutely love it. So that one might be coming on my Christmas list. So there you have it. Those are all the new releases that I'm looking at and what my thoughts are on them and whether they'll be coming to live with me in my home. I'd love to know, as usual, what you guys are picking up and what you are leaving on the shelf. You know how nosy I am. I just love to know. Tell me the tea in the comment section down below. I hope you enjoyed this video. Otherwise, I'd love to see you in the next one. Take care for now. Blah, blah, blah. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'd love to see you in the next one. Otherwise, take care for now. Bye, 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 bye.